Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. I wanted to talk about this whole Phillies Astros and the Houston Astros and the Phillies. Um, going in through why it's such a big it's like such a big thing when it comes to people not wanting the Phillies to win, right? But just to kind of bring everybody in the loop, it's just the Phillies historically every single time the Phillies have won, the market has actually gone a lot lower. Every single time the Phillies have won the World Series, we've had some sort of market crash. And I think, and that's basically it, just to fill everybody in. The Astros actually won. In a lot of cases, people would take this as a sign of a bottom in the market because, Phillies, recession canceled. So, this video is not really to go into like the history of this or how often it's happened. It's more of just to keep everybody in the loop, and if you're confused as to why, you're probably seeing the Philly stock market crash stuff like in social media going around. It's essentially this. It's really just if the Phillies actually won the World Series, there's a really good chance coincidentally that we would continue crashing. But the fact that the Houston Astros actually won the World Series, it's a lot of a lot of people are speculating that we have actually bottomed in the market. And I think that I just came back from, this is actually from Wall Street Bets, right? I'm actually on Reddit right now, but everybody's just kind of speculating, fucking buy a shit ton of calls on Monday just because the Astros actually won, and we have recession canceled because the Phillies lost. So I just wanted to fill everybody in on what, if you're not familiar with this like theory, right, with this historical coincidence of the Phillies winning and the stock market crashing. So I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.